Hi, I'm Jonathan, one of the winners of the Wall of Greens Challenge on MasterChef Singapore Season 4. And today, I will share with you the secrets of my recipe, chili lemak udang, crispy kailan, and coriander oil. I'm starting off by blending all the rempah ingredients. I'm so happy to be cooking this dish for you today because the challenge focuses on something very close to my heart, which is showcasing the flavors and variety of Singapore's grown produce. Okay, I'm frying the rempah till it's fragrant. Smelling really good. So we're going to add some coconut milk, some salt and sugar, and a splash of lime. Now I'm going to cook the coriander leaves in 1/4 cup of oil for 2 minutes, and then we're going to blend it. Okay, I'm ready to sieve out the coriander to collect the coriander oil. It's time to fry the prawns in oil till they're almost cooked. Then we're going to set it aside for later. So now we're ready to char with a burner. Once they're nicely charred, add the charred prawns to the chili lemak sauce. So next is the 𝘾𝙧𝙞𝙞 𝙠𝙚𝙢, which means to cut them to long, thin strips. So these are so fresh, they're grown locally here in Singapore and are almost straight away in your pan. So I deep fry the kailan, get them super crispy, and then I season with a little bit of salt. To create a beautiful plate, first you scoop the sauce on, and then we place the prawns tail side up. Next, we drizzle the coriander oil, top with lime zest, and we place the fried kailan to serve. And here it is, chili lemak udang, crispy kailan, and coriander oil. Wow, so to make this dish well, look out for the SG Fresh Produce logo the next time you shop for your groceries. It's a sure sign you are buying the best of locally grown ingredients.